Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can remove this fuel rail on Mercedes. To remove it, first of all we need to unscrew two bolts. From this spot and this spot. And after that easily remove our fuel rail. After that you can change all these fuel nozzles or remove and clean all of them. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.